Hi everyone, welcome to my art room. My name's Carol and I'm an acrylic pouring artist. So today in my video I'm going to do a swipe on a tile. I'm testing out some colors, some purple and greens, and I'm going to do a swipe with this little Piggy Pigments that I'm using. So I'm anxious to see how they work just by themselves. So come and join me, see how it goes. Hi everybody, I'm going to do a little swipe today on this tile. Just want to try out this little Piggys and see how they work with a swipe. I don't know if I've ever done one before, maybe with a mixture, but this is just going to be the Piggys on their own. So this is called Aspen. It's a really pretty color. So I'm going to just lay it roll down like this. The next one I'm going to use is called Pinot Gris, which is like a greeny color, that interference color. So it has a greenish tinge to it. So I'm going to put it over top of this. So they should match good. And now I have Nightfall, this little Piggy. I always give them a little stir before I use them. Oh, these might look nice in a bloom. And the next one I'm going to use is called Twinkle, and it's like a purpley pink color. I'm going to put it on the top because I'm going to use a black Cell Activator. I think I should have put more purple down, but it's okay. All right. So I've got my black CA, which is Australian Floetrol, and Amsterdam oxide black. So I'm just going to use this big spatula. Just going to put some on here and do it this way. I was going to put it there, but I like doing it this way. And then I'll do half on the other side. I'm going to use my little one to do the edges. did it on the wrong side. That's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to do this side. I wipe it off each time. It's a bit darker. Why is it? It's so different when you do different pressure. So I might not have pulled the paint as much there. Darn. I might have to go over that. I do not like this side. Oh, so sad. Oh, so disappointed. Concentrate, Carol, concentrate. Just going to put a little bit more paint here. A twinkle. Oh, shoot. I dripped. All right, I'm going to do that one over again. Try this again. And that's somewhat better. Okay. it a spin. I'm gonna sometimes I just don't like the way the middle ends up. I'll give it a spin. There, that's not bad. Whoa. That's so nice. Look at the pretty colors. I'm going to do a bloom in these colors. I will. Okay, there you go. That's my little tile. So now I can go big. I'm gonna do a bloom in these colors. So pretty. So that's 4 colors. I'm anxious to see how it looks dry because there's 2 interference in here. One's a green and one's a purpley color. So we'll see how it dries. It's very pretty. This one came off, but that's okay. All right, there you go. Have a good day. Hold it up for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell for notifications. Comment below. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Hello, everybody. Here's my little dried tile. Look how shiny that purple is. These pigments and the aspen. It's really nice. I really like it. It's very pretty. The green and purple go nice together. There you go. Dried good. Smooth. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.